Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. Today I thought I'd show you what I'm packing for my 7-month-old. We are going to Valencia for 10 nights, so I just thought I'd show you what we're taking. Okay, so this is what we have for Ivy, all ready and laid out to go in the case. I've been putting things aside gradually over the last couple of months, pulling some clothes out that I like the look of, buying her new swim stuff, obviously stacking up on milk and nappies, but this is everything that we've got for her that's going to go in her suitcase. We're going to Valencia for 10 nights, so we do need quite a bit, but there is a washing machine there so we can wash things, so I don't need an outfit for every single day. We can re-wash. It does look quite a lot at the moment, but I will show it to you when it's in the suitcase as well, and I will go through some of the bits that we've got. Okay, so obviously in the far corner we have her big suitcase and her baby bag. Now obviously in her baby bag is her red book, nappies, wet wipes, her bottles will go in there. She's got a couple of toys, she'll have some food in there, her powder in there, etc. Sort of everything I carry around on a daily basis will be in there. And we have some little toys here, some of her faves, which we'll take away with us just so she has something to play with. And then down here we have some of her socks, and we have some of these short sleeve vests here. So some of her dresses are short sleeve, so I thought it'd be quite nice to have the short sleeve vests so you can't see them sticking out. But we do have some of the normal ones here as well, just to go under baby grows. I have some of these really cute little nappy covers here. Obviously if she's going to be wearing dresses and have her little legs out, it'd be quite nice to cover her nappy up, so she's got 3 of those there. I have got some tights as well, just in case it's a little bit chilly some days and I can pop some tights on. And she's got some cardigans over here as well, so she's got 4 little cardies there. I think the yellow one she's going to wear on the aeroplane with the baby growth. I think it's absolutely adorable. We have got a little coat over here, just her little Jules coat. It's quite a thin sort of quilted coat, so obviously if it is a bit chillier in the evenings, or if we do, fingers crossed we don't, but if we do have a little bit of rain, then she does have a coat. And then we have her bath towel there. We have a big pack of nappies. I think that should be enough. If not, there is a supermarket quite close apparently, so we can always get more. Add some water wipes. And then she has a little cardie that she wears at bedtime there. And then these are all her bedtime baby grows here. So again, I'm not going to take one for every night because we do have a washing machine, so I can wash them and reuse them. She has a couple of dribble bibs here. She doesn't really wear bibs. She doesn't really dribble very much. I only tend to put bibs on her when she's feeding. So I only need a couple of those, and then I just got a couple of the rounded ones as well. Now in front of Ivy is all her dresses. I've been collecting these up over time and they are so gorgeous, so I'll show you a few. Got this lovely yellow one here. Another little yellow floral with sleeves. This gorgeous Broad Anglais white one. She actually got this when she was born, so we've been saving this. And it comes with a little nappy cover as well, which is so cute. This one here is so pretty, and it's actually long sleeved as well, so again if we're going out in the evening or it's a little bit chilly, then it's got long sleeves. This is just a really pretty one that she got for Christmas. Another little white one here with birdies on. Again, that has little capped sleeves on it. Lovely bright one here, which I think is going to be lovely around the pool or if we go down the beach at all. It's like a tank top to it. And then we have this little one here with the little tutu skirt, and again the capped sleeves. Another little one for the beach or around the pool, matches that other one. Again with the little pocket and the tank top. This pretty one here, absolutely gorgeous with the lovely little neckline. And then just a little denim dress here, which you can wear with a little vest underneath or something, and a cardi over, which I thought was really pretty. She has some sun hats here, so she's got a yellow one, a white one, a blue one, and then just one that she can wear in the pool. So we have her toiletries here. We have some Oilatum cream, which I've been using on her face just recently. She's got a little rash under her mouth, probably just from teething. Then some baby powder, some Child's Farm hair and body wash for her when she has a shower or a bath. We've gone for the Nivea Baby Factor 50. Heard some good reviews about it, so I thought we'll give it a go. Got her little hairbrush here, a spoon. She quite likes this spoon, so I thought we'll take it because she does feed off it really well. Then she has some paracetamol and ibuprofen sachets here. Obviously they're lighter to take than the bottles, and I always carry them around in the baby bag as well, so we've got some of them. Her teething gel, a flannel, and then she has her dummies and a beaker. We will obviously be taking some bottles as well, but most of them will probably be in the baby bag. And over here we have a couple of little snacky bits. So she's really been liking these Ella's Kitchens melty sticks. She's had the carrot and sweet corn ones, which I am going to grab a pack of before we go to take with us, and I've also got the tomato and basil. Just some of the blueberry wafers that she likes. She's really loving yogurts. So I actually found these ones in Aldi, so they're quite a nice size and they can go on your hand luggage as well. So I'm going to take some in the baby bag and obviously some in the suitcase. So I'm going to go and stock up on some more of these. I do need to stock up on some dinners. I just need to go out and get some of the Ella's Kitchens and the piccolo, I think it's called, she really likes. So I'm going to grab some of them over the next couple of days and pop them in. As I say, there is a supermarket local, but it's nice to know that I've got some of her favourites with me just in case I can't get any out there. I've worked out that we're going to need 2 tubs of Aptamel, so we're going to take 2 with us just so that we've got enough. And over here we have this lovely jumper. I'm just going to take it again if it's a chilly evening at all and she's in a baby grow. It's quite nice, it's lovely and soft and fluffy. Here she's got some what I call sort of daytime baby grows, some quite pretty ones. One of them she's going to be wearing on the plane. Yeah, I think maybe this one. With the yellow cardigan, but again, you know, if it's a little bit chilly one day and I don't want to have her in a dress, or if she's sleeping or we go out for a meal and she's sleeping, then I will pop her in a pretty baby grey. Here we have her feeding bibs. So these are nice big bibs here, so when she's eating, I actually got these in Aldi. She got 2 of those, and then this is one of the full cover bibs with the sleeves. Again, a nice one there if she's feeding herself and when she's eating. We've got a little stash of muslins here, so she's got her everyday ones that she likes, and I've also got this really big one here, which is actually like a nursing one, because I popped this over her mattress in her crib and in her cot. So again, when we're away, I'd like to do that just so it still feels the same to her and it's nice and soft. And again, they're great, so if she's sick or anything, then obviously I can just whip it out and don't have to change the whole bed. But I am going to be taking one of these big ones as well. So this is her little swim-in section here. So we have a couple of the UV suits. I have this one here which is like trousers and then a long sleeve top. It comes with a matching hat as well. That was from Sainsbury's. I just thought if it is cold at all, the pool is going to be heated. We have paid for it to be heated. But if it is a little bit chilly or we do decide to go down the beach, then she's completely covered up and protected from the sun. And we also got her this Minnie Mouse one here, so it's slightly shorter and comes with the matching hat. And then we just have a standard swimming costume here. I actually showed this one in my Primark haul. She has worn it once already to her swimming lessons and it's beautiful. So if it's a little bit warmer at all, then she can wear this one. She's got some gorgeous little sunglasses here. Hopefully she will wear them. We did put them on her the other day and she seemed absolutely fine with them. Got a really cute picture of her in them. My second little boy, he had the same, but obviously in blue. And he wore them all the time, he wouldn't take them off. So we've got some little sunglasses and they have like this nice little foam back to them, so obviously they're not tight and you can adjust them. So some little sunglasses. We have some swim nappies here. I had to get the Little Angels one day because there was none of the Huggies ones left, and you know what, I really like them. They don't seem to swell up as much. They don't hold as much water and they're really great to reuse as well, so I've just decided to go for some more Little Angels ones and they're in a size small. She's got her hooded towel here, covers her completely so it'll keep her nice and warm, and again it matches with her swimsuit. And then I've got this Sogs trainer seat, so just a little rubber ring for her to go in, so obviously we don't have to be holding her all the time. Really lovely. I actually got this on Amazon, but I wanted to get something pink and I think it's gorgeous. We've got a couple of blankets to take away with us. So this is a really big one, like a toddler sort of size one that she likes to have and snuggle up to. It's really good for tummy time, really good if she's going to be in a travel cot, which I believe she is, then it will cover the whole travel cot up so I can really tuck her in, and it is one of her faves. This one here is her ultimate favourite as well. She loves sticking her fingers through it, but this is her real fave, and this is the one that she'll have like in the car seat and in the buggy, so I'm going to take this one with me as well. This is the Moby wrap here. I'm going to be wearing this around the airport because we're going to check our buggy in. We're going to be taking the Bugaboo donkey that we have, and we have a travel case for it, so we're going to pack it all up in that before we go and then check it in. So I'll carry Ivy around in the wrap, and it'll also be great on holiday as well if there's some places I can't take the buggy, or if she's sleepy then I've got the carrier with me. We're going to be taking this little seat support as well. It's absolutely brilliant. I'll insert a picture here of it in use. But I'm not quite sure if there's going to be a high chair or anything there, and these you can just pop on the seats and use. So if we go to a restaurant, the dining table in the villa, really handy. I've actually had this for all 3 of my babies, and it folds up so tiny and so small, hardly takes up any room at all. So I'll probably keep it in the baby bag, and we'll definitely be using this a lot on holiday. These are some of her rompers here. So she's got this really gorgeous little lacy one, some little soft ones, and then she does have a little tutu one in the background there. It's like a vest with a little tutu, which I thought would be really cute. So there's just some rompers that we're taking. I'm going to take a couple of these ready-made bottles as well. They're just really handy to have like in the baby bag when you're out and about, so if you run out of powder or anything like that, they are quite handy to have. So I'm going to take a couple of those that she seems to like. We have a few pairs of socks here, just some little frilly ones to wear with her dresses, and a normal pair here. And then I have some of the knee-high ones with the little bows on here, which are really cute, and I thought they'll look really sweet with some of her dresses. And then of course she has some of her headbands. These are the really soft ones that I get them in Primark actually. They do look very, very cute on, so I've got some of her headbands. And then of course the little flowers that she always wears in her hair, just to hold her little fringe back. They're really soft underneath. She's always got one of these in. She's actually got one in now, which look really cute. And finally we're taking this little cutie. We can't leave her behind. So all of this, yeah, all of this is for Ivy for holiday. I think I've got everything. I don't think there's anything I forgot. I hope I haven't. We are going to be packing it today, and we have got a couple more days until we go, so I've got some time to grab some extra bits. But yeah, that's everything going in Ivy's suitcase. So here we are, all packed and ready to go. So this is Ivy's suitcase. Everything of hers is in here. It's not too heavy. Her baby bag's all packed and ready. Just have to pop bottles in there in the morning when we're ready to go on the day. But everything's sorted, fits in there beautifully, and I hope I haven't forgot anything. So this is Ivy's suitcase all ready to go. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions. I upload every Monday at 6 PM, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks, bye. Are you excited for holiday?